This is the Highline Extra Warm White strip with 60 LEDs per meter. It's a 24 volt LED strip available in IP00. Cutting points are every 100 millimeters, and it is powered by the SMD2835 chip. It has 6 of them every 100 millimeters, which gives you 60 LEDs per meter. And with an 8mm width PCB, it has a power consumption of 14.4 watts per meter, which can generate up to 1440 lumens per meter at 2300 Kelvin, with a color rendering index of above 90. On the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.